It's no longer news that Yahaya Bello, the former governor of Kogi State, has been declared wanted by the EFCC after the current governor, Ododo, stormed his residence that was surrounded by EFCC operatives and took him away in his car, which is in itself a criminal offense. But because he can't be prosecuted right now because he has immunity, Bello is now begging the court that he wants to come out from hiding and attend a court hearing, but he's just simply afraid of being arrested. The other day he was governor, today he's an ordinary civilian. They've even stripped off all his bodyguards, all the police that were guarding him. Now he's afraid of simple arrest. Someone that paid $720,000 for the school fees of his kid abroad, while owing workers in Kogi State more than 7 years' salary.
The particulars of offense is there. It's before court. Go and check it. Apply for our processes, please. You will get some of these particulars of offense there. Move money directly from government to bring the change. Use it to pay the child's school fee in advance. In advance. Dollars. How much? 71? In dollars, yes. In dollars. $72,000. $720,000, sorry. $720,000 in advance. In anticipation that he was going to leave government house. In a poor state like Kogi. And you want me to close my eyes to that? Under the guise of saying I'm being used. Used by who? At this stage of my life? Used by who? By who? For crying out loud. I assumed office here. I didn't initiate the case. I inherited the case file. I called for the case file. I called for the report. And I said, look, there are issues here. Do you know on my own, on my honor, I put a call across to him, which ordinarily I'm not supposed to do, just to honor him as a governor, as a immediate past governor. Sir, there are issues. I've seen this case file. Can you just come? Let us clarify these issues. I'm under camera. He said, sir, I thank you, my brother. I know, but I can't come. There's one lady, I don't know what her name is, that she learned she had said, she has surrounded the EFCC with over 100 journalists, to come and embarrass him and intimidate him and all kind of stuff. I said, okay, if that is your fear, I'm going to pass you through my own gate, special man's gate. You will come to my floor. We will accord you that respect. I will invite my operatives. They will come and interrogate you or interview you in my own office. What could be more honorable than that? In my own office. To allay the fear.
There's no word to correctly describe Bello, what he did in Kogi State, and to think that many people are protesting on his behalf. Look at these lawyers protesting against the EFCC for the way and manner they've been handling the issues with Bello. Where were these lawyers when the courts were doing abracadabra during the election litigation? Are these lawyers from Kogi State? Are they aware of the suffering of workers in Kogi State? Are they aware that this man stole 84 billion naira? He can't account for it. In fact, all the accusations made against this man, if they hear all of them, they wouldn't be in the streets protesting on his behalf. Bello, like all accused persons, deserves a fair hearing. He must answer to all the accusations and allegations. And the way he's conducting himself at this early stage means that he has something to hide. He must come clean. And to think that Yahaya Bello is a youth, he's less than 50 years. This is the kind of impression he's making about Nigerian youths. Who will give Nigerian youths opportunity like this in the future? They always say the power should go to the youths, that the youths should be in charge because it is their future we are talking about. But how can a youth like Yahaya Bello squander more than 84 billion naira belonging to Kogi State people? And for all the shameless people protesting on his behalf, it's obvious they've collected their own share of the 84 billion. All of them must be investigated. EFCC must recover every penny so that all the workers who have never received their salaries will be paid their salaries. Because obviously the new governor is not doing anything about the salary arrears. How can someone be so heartless to pay someone 10% or 20% of his salary? Every month they pay 20%. They keep paying that percentage till it accumulates up to 7 years. That was exactly what Yahaya Bello did in Kogi State.
Tinubu, where are you?
Today, they want him to account. He's running away from the law. He's become a fugitive. That's why the EFCC lawyer said that he will withdraw the warrant of arrest if Bello shows up in court. You are an accused person. Why not go and defend yourself? Hiding and claiming that you're innocent doesn't work. An innocent man fears no accusation. He should man up the way he was feeling when he was governor. Let him use that same courage and come to court or present himself to EFCC after all they've declared him wanted. That's the first step. Present yourself to EFCC, ask them, yes, this is me. I'm not running. Then they will take you straight to court and the court will remand you wherever they want to remand you, because obviously this impression will make every judge to remand you even in prison. They might even deny you bail because you're already running from the law. Why will any judge grant bail to someone that is already running? That's a bad impression of himself. It's very simple. If you are accused, stand your ground and defend yourself if you are not guilty. Psychologically, that's how it works. That's how you even win in court. Not just the court of law, but the court of public opinion. But when you are accused and they came to arrest you, you locked yourself inside the home and called the governor to come and rescue you, which he did, because you put him there. He's still loyal to Bello instead of being loyal to Kogi State people. He came there and used his powers to obstruct justice. That's what they did, which is a criminal offense. So let's be watching the next few days. Maybe Yahaya Bello will man up and show up at the EFCC office nearest to him, or the one at Abuja. That's if he's still in Nigeria. Remember the Binance executive who escaped